Hello everybody. We are going to be doing a lesson on the changes in the weather. First, we are going to start off with our objectives and our goals. Our objectives for our students would be that they should be able to identify different types of weather and be able to associate different weather patterns with appropriate clothing and collaborative conversation with diverse partners. The goals for our students will be for them to understand that there are different weather patterns and different clothes that will be associated with those weather patterns. In this lesson, the students will be introduced to new vocabulary like observe, for instance, is a word that we are going to be using quite often. They will go outside and observe the weather. Then they will come back inside and read a book by Paul Rogers. We will have a classroom discussion about what they observed outside, about the book, the different types of weather patterns that they have observed. From there, I will disperse them into small groups where they will talk about their favorite weather, decide what appropriate clothes will be associated with that weather. So if something is chilly, if the weather outside is chilly, what clothes are appropriate to wear with that weather pattern. From there, students will work independently on their worksheets that I have attached in this slide. And after those worksheets are completed, students will be given the opportunity to share those worksheets with the class if they choose to. The purpose of small groups are so students can work together and share ideas from each other. One thing that we find very beneficial are for students, especially in the age of kindergarten, are for them to be able to learn how to take turns talking so they can hear each other, not talk over each other. It's kind of the rules of society where it's your turn to talk and then it's so-and-so's turn to talk. And one thing that I personally find beneficial for my students is that they are able to hear other students' ideas, not just me teaching something, but the students teaching each other. I have attached the worksheet so the students can visually see what they will be doing in class if they wanted to get ahead, or if the parents wanted to see the picture or the worksheet of what they will be doing. It has the directions right there. It's very simple. Students will pick their favorite kind of weather that they choose here, and they will draw themselves in the little box at the bottom with the appropriate clothes associated with that weather pattern. After that lesson, students will have completed the worksheet. They will be given the opportunity to share their ideas with the class. Students only have to share their ideas if they're comfortable. It is not a part of the graded activity, but students are encouraged to share with the classmates. It's very important for students to have those public speaking skills and to not be shy and to stand up in front of their classmates. It's a open, non-judgmental environment in that kindergarten. It's very easy for everybody to get up there and want to share, and we very highly encourage that. It's a pretty simple lesson and it's fun. The students love going outside, and it has an activity where they can draw themselves and they get to talk amongst each other. It's very easy for parents to kind of go along with the lesson and ask their students, what type of weather is this and what is that? What would you wear if it's raining outside? What's appropriate for that? And I believe that's it. Thank you.